In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts in Go High Level. Whether you're setting up your platform for the first time or looking to streamline your contact management, importing contacts efficiently is a game changer. First, let's start by opening up your preferred web browser and searching for Go High Level. Once you're on the Go High Level website, you'll need to log in using your credentials. This will bring you to your dashboard, where all the magic happens. Now that you're in, take a look at the left-hand menu. Here, you should see several options, but for our purpose, focus on finding either the Contacts or Opportunities tab. Clicking on one of these will take you to a screen where you can manage your contacts. Now that you're in the right location, look for the Import Contacts button. This might look like a downward-pointing arrow dropping into a box, which is the icon for the import function. If you're in the Opportunities tab, the button might simply say, Import. Click on it, and you're ready to bring in your new contacts. Before you proceed, make sure you have your contacts saved in a CSV file, as that format is essential for this process. Go ahead and select your CSV file and upload it to the Go High Level system. Once you've uploaded it, Go High Level will guide you through an important step: mapping the columns in your CSV file to the fields within Go High Level. This ensures that all the information goes to the right places, such as names, emails, phone numbers, and so on. The system is also flexible, allowing you to create custom fields if you have some non-standard data that doesn't fit into the existing categories. After you've mapped your fields, you're going to name your import. This helps with tracking and organization later on. You'll also have the option to assign these contacts to either new or existing lists within the platform. To make your contacts even more accessible, consider adding tags that are relevant to this batch. Benefits of tagging include easier segmentation and more targeted marketing actions later. Once you've tidied up these details, it's time to set the process in motion by clicking either the Bulk Import or the Submit button. This will initiate the import, and the system will start processing the data. While it's working, you don't need to do much except wait. The system usually handles this swiftly, but if you have a large list, it may take a little longer. Upon completion, Go High Level will update you on the status and details of your imported contacts. You can rest easily, knowing that your contacts are now integrated into your system, ready for you to manage, reach out to, and nurture in whatever way you choose. And there you have it, an efficient way to manage your contacts through Go High Level, setting a solid foundation for your customer communication and